Your car breaks down. Your laptop dies. You lose your job. Your boiler stops working in January. None of these are unlikely. Today, we're talking about the emergency fund, the most unsexy topic in personal finance. An emergency fund is simply money you set aside and don't touch unless something genuinely unexpected happens. The standard advice is to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Let's break it down. Start with a mini emergency fund, just €500 to €1,000. This covers most everyday emergencies. Your emergency fund should be accessible, separate, and earning something. The trick to building an emergency fund is automation. Set up a standing order for payday. Open a separate savings account today. Transfer whatever you can, even €20. Next time, we're talking about debt, what it actually costs you, and how to get out of it strategically.